Meaning of gross out.
Gross out.
Gross out.
Gross out.
Gross out. Gross out is a slang term that means to disgust or repel someone, typically through crude or unpleasant behavior or subject matter. It refers to actions or experiences that are so distasteful or offensive that they cause physical discomfort or revulsion. A gross out can take many forms, from rude jokes and vulgar language to graphic visual displays or disturbing images. The result of a gross out is usually strong negative emotions such as a feeling of nausea, disgust, or overwhelming aversion. The term is commonly used in pop culture, particularly in relation to comedy and horror genres.